Odie's oil. This is the product that we're famous for. This product has so many uses, it's ridiculous. We had to change the label to our universal finish and stabilizer because it has so many different uses, it's amazing. Can be used on everything from wood to leather. Fantastic. Even plastic. So this product, it's very thick. When you open the jar, it's going to be the consistency of a paste. Stir it, and it'll liquefy, and it'll turn to a viscous liquid. Use a tiny, tiny, minute amount. We're talking, you know, on wood, most woods, you're going to get 25 square feet per ounce out of this. That's crazy far. That's about 250 square feet per jar. A gallon of polyurethane usually only covers 150 square feet. So this little 9-ounce jar goes further than a gallon of polyurethane. It's hard to believe, but that's the way you use it. Very little, has a wonderful floral smell. Work into the surface one of our non-woven pads, white pad or a gray pad, one that's rated higher than your last standing, or one that you know is not going to scratch the surface that you're applying it to. Work it in as much as you can, and then buff it all off with a cotton towel. When we mean buff it off, we don't mean just smear it around. We mean scrub it all off. Don't leave anything on the surface. Clean it all off until it feels dry to touch. Then let it cure in the surface, and you will have the most durable, most beautiful finish that you've ever seen in your life. Once again, food safe, solvent-free, no poisons, no dryers, no part 2 like other finishes, okay? No petroleum distillates, just awesome, wholesome goodness, easy to use, and safe for everyone, including the children and the family and the pets. So Odie's Oil, the universal finish and stabilizer, multitude of uses. This is what we're known for.